Myanmar is a country of immense ethnic diversity, home to over 130 distinct ethnic groups. This rich tapestry of cultures has shaped the nation's history and continues to influence its present. The Mons and Payus were among the earliest settlers, arriving as early as 2500 BC. The Mons brought Cambodian influences, while the Payus introduced Tibetan culture. Later, the Shans and Bamars arrived, adding Chinese cultural elements. Throughout history, ethnic groups in Myanmar have experienced both fusion and conflict. The Bamars, for instance, adopted Mon cultural aspects after seizing Bago in 1057. However, ethnic tensions have persisted, often exploited by ruling powers for political gain. Today, Myanmar's population exceeds 47 million, with the Bamars comprising about 65%. The government recognizes 8 major ethnic groups, but researchers suggest there are around 20 to 21 major groups, each with numerous subgroups. Burmese is the official language, yet over 100 languages are spoken across Myanmar. Each ethnic group often has its own language or dialect, contributing to a complex linguistic landscape. The rise of Burmese and English has impacted minority languages.